I was having some problems with my Zodiac MX6 pool cleaner, and I noticed that the tracks were kind of loose, so I decided to replace them. It's a little over 2 years old, and lo and behold, the little gears of the knobs on the inside on one of the tracks, they were all missing. So this definitely only one was turning with power, the other was kind of just following, so it wouldn't even go up the wall. Well, it's back to working. I replaced them with non-OEM parts, about $10. The factory original parts are sometimes $26 to $30, but we'll see how these hold up. They look good. The thing is working like it was brand new. It goes all the way up. It'll go skirt around the edge. It'll get right up on the tile. It's a good pool cleaner. And I run it at 2200 RPM, 500 watts. And I run it 2 hours a day, and then I drop my variable speed pump down to 1100 RPM. And it just kind of sits there. It doesn't do much. But it's still sucking up water on the bottom. This is a fiberglass pool, 10,000 gallons. It looks really clean now. I noticed that before, when it was skipping around, there would be a little bit of stuff in the corners. This gets right up on the steps going in, which is pretty good. All the parts on the MX6 can be replaced. I went online. There's some videos showing you all the moving parts and what it takes to get them replaced. It's pretty straightforward. I've had Zodiac products before. My next favorite pool thing, which I was thinking of buying, was the G, I think it's called a G3. It's more of a flapper suction type, no wheels, no gears. I had one of those for 6 years. Then I replaced it and used that one for another 4 years. When I sold the house, the new owner said it was still working. So this one came with my pool, and I like it. Okay, the G3 would be my next choice if I couldn't get my MX6 going. The only moving part is that yellow diaphragm, which just, it pulsates by its shape, and it really works. It'll go all the way up to the tile, and it'll go all the way up the wall. It's a good, sturdy product. There's aftermarket diaphragms that are heavier than the original available, and it lasts a long time. Okay, I'm going to update the progress of the MX6 new aftermarket tracks. I'll give it quite a distance. I run my pool vacuum every day, summer or winter, at least 2 hours. So, in the winter I don't swim in the pool, but I like the cover off, and I just like the view from my spa. So I will post an update. If anything happens sooner, I'll let you know. But Zodiac makes some good products. That's all I got to say. They're not paying me for this. It's just, and I've had Hayward products. I've had I had a couple off markets, and they were terrible. I'm sticking with Zodiac.